Welcome to Review Master, your ultimate destination for insightful reviews. I'm thrilled to review the Workout Resistance Band Set, a versatile addition to any fitness routine. This set includes 5 color-coded resistance bands, cushioned handles, ankle straps, a door anchor, a waterproof carry bag, and an instruction manual. Made from durable latex, these bands are perfect for strength training, stretching, pilates, yoga, and physical therapy. Their varying resistance levels cater to all fitness levels, offering customizable workouts that target every muscle group. The compact design and carry bag make them ideal for home, office, or travel use. With comfortable grips and secure attachments, you can perform exercises like bicep curls, squats, chest presses. Although adjusting the bands for different exercises may take some time, and the door anchor might not fit all doors perfectly, the affordability, ease of use, and effectiveness of this set make it a fantastic investment. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Check the description box for purchase links and let me know your favorite resistance band exercises in the comments. Stay fit, stay healthy, and keep pushing your limits. See you in the next video.